You're asking me, will our love grow? I don't know, I don't know. You stick around and it may show. Gawin in gakain danzin. Gawin in gakain danzin. I don't know. I don't know. How you doing? So yeah, I just don't know anymore. I don't know if I should even be worried. It's gotten so crazy that it's like I'm starting to question even the conspiracy. Is the world going crazy? Are we in a culture war? Is there racism and sexism? Is that even a problem? Do I care? I don't know. Or are we just being entertained? You know? The news, it's like a movie. Current events is like a movie. If nobody's watching, then, they don't make any money. So the news has to be exciting. And it's got to have a lot of drama. And now it's got to be like a reality show where you're involved, the viewer. They go, I'm in the news now. Look at that. Minneapolis. We get to be talked about on the news now. No more police. Oh, that's a good one. Down with whoever. What's that chick's name? Ilhan, Omar. Hikes. I wish I didn't have such a crush on her. She's got some really bad ideas and she's really dumb. Where did that accent come from? But she's so cute. You get lost in her eyes. It's like, gee, I want to be mad at you, but I'm lost in your eyes. All right. Probably not going to use any of this. Today's Ojibwe word of the day. Kitchamanadu. Miigwech ga iji webak. Is that right? Yeah. Thank you for the weather. I know it's easy to thank the Great Spirit when the weather's nice, but... Oh, la, la. Okay, take 4. Oh, hey, how you doing? I didn't see you there. Nah. What am I going to talk about today? Natasha's not here again. She went to Walmart. She's going to pick up some produce. She was like, oh, should I go to the Whole Foods? Although it sounded more like this. Should I go to the Whole Foods? I do a really good Natasha impersonation. And I'm like, nah, man, go to that place with the plastic food. I like it. Anyway. What was I thinking about? Oh, yeah. Have you guys heard about this Ilhan Omar? She's a politician in the in Minneapolis. And she wants to defund the police. She was like, they're rotten to the core. They're like, oh, wow. Where did that accent come from? I thought you were from Minnesota. How old were you when you came here? And you still have that African accent? Or whatever it is. Is there an African? No, there's not really an African accent. Is she Somalian? Where is that Ilhan Omar from? I wish I didn't have such a crush on her. Oh, wow. She's so cute. You want to be mad at her, but then you just get lost in her eyes. You're like, hey, Omar. You go to her office to protest. You're like, hey, man, do you know some of your ideas are really dangerous and stupid? Come on, think. We didn't hire you to be a dummy. But you get in there and then you're like, oh, hi, I was going to, what was I going to do? I don't know. I'm lost in your eyes. I don't know. All right. Well, this is just testing stuff. So, miigwech ganawabieg. Thank you for watching. Buju Nana Buju, the podcast about deep political discussions and discourse and ideas. And tune in for all your political news and ideas and whatever. Okay, I will see you again. Kikawaba min, minawa. Owa. Fly by night away from here.
Oh, yeah. I think I know what time it is. It's time to get started.
Welcome to
what? Buju Nana Buju. What'd you say?
I said,
Welcome to Buju Nana Buju.
Even when I'm dead, I'm
Welcome to Buju Nana Buju. I said, welcome to Buju Nana Buju. Niemand wanged on G-A-H-A-N-O-M-A-N-U. Niemand wanged on G-A-H-A-N-O-M-A-N-U. Niemand wanged on G-A-H-A-N-O-M-A-N-U.
Thank you, and good night.
Good night. We love you. Gizaka E.